Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. I'm going to be showing you how to set up your account on Alaab. So if you check in the description section or in the comment section, you will see an invitation link. All you have to do is to click it. You won't join my agency, but you will just simply download the app. So here are the steps you need to take. So I'm gonna click it. When you click it, it will actually take you to Google. When you see this, simply swipe up. Okay, so depending on the type of a phone that you are using, you will need to download Alaab either from Google Play or App Store. Okay, so let's do that. And when you get on this page, don't go by phone, go by Google. Now before you click Google, check in the box which is at the bottom and then hit Google. Okay, so when you get here, what you do is you allow Alaab to be sending you notifications. Now let me introduce you to the features of Alaab. So in the bottom left, that icon in the bottom left, that one happens to lead you to the main page, and this is the main page that you're seeing: the match room, the in room. Then there are those banners that are flying here. So the second one is the moments tab. When you click here, you'll see the moments that people have actually posted. You can as well post something by clicking this icon here, and you can either say something and then upload a picture here, and then you hit there to post it. It's a moments tab. It allows you to post moments. If you've been too long on any apps, you understand what this is. The third one is the notification tab. It actually shows you the messages that people have sent, the messages that are coming from the system that are being sent by Alaab admins and the like. Then the last tab, which is the fourth one, is the profile tab, and this is where you can edit everything about you. You can click in the top right corner there so as to edit the profile pic, the one on top there. Yeah, so we can take a pic from here. Yeah, so we can take this one and make it the profile pic. We can save. We can also change the birth date and save. So the profile pic has been changed, and we can now join the agency. We can join the agency, but let me leave that to the next video. So this is how you set up an account. You can also click my room, and this is your room. You can invite other people so as to come in and play with you. As simple as that. Simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on sharing, keep on liking. Let many people join in. And after you join Alaab, make sure that you alert me. Join our Telegram group so as to give you enough support.